start menu is right here. When compared to Windows 10, Microsoft has collapsed the search box into an icon. And we don't have Cortana here. If you want Cortana, you just have to download the app. In Windows 10, on this right-hand corner, we used to have the weather, but right now, weather is on the left-hand corner. And on this widget, you can see things like favorite news, your sports scores, traffic, and more. Here, you have a feature of customizing your desktop. We can add another one, and you can just remove your desktops. We've got Edge, Chat, your File Explorer, Microsoft Store, your mail. You can unpin them if you want. Office, I'm gonna unpin this from taskbar. I just pinned this. It does come with Skype. And then you also have this phone link where you can link your phone and write messages directly from the computer, see your pictures, and even make calls directly from your computer. So at first glance, this is what we have. If you're looking for any specific file or folder on your PC, there are two ways you can go about doing that. First, you can either come directly to File Explorer or Windows Explorer, as we used to call it. And here in Windows Explorer, you can find a lot of information. For example, you can find quick access, and you're going to find information about what is on your computer. For example, on this PC, we've got desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures. If you watch the icons carefully, they're changed. They are not the normal yellow files that we see every time, but this time they're a bit more as per what they're supposed to be. For example, music. You can see the icon with this music stuff here. On top here, we've got other stuff also. Background here is black. That depends on each person. That depends on you. We can change the background there in settings. We can just go to settings and change the background. We're going to see that later. So for example, if you want to, let's just say we go to documents and I want to copy this. So what I'm going to do, I right click on it. You can see that the icons also changed. It's not the normal icons as we used to have in Windows 11, but it's kind of like better looking. And here you can see the icon for cutting, for copying, renaming, sharing, for deleting, and also for pasting. Okay, so let's say we come here, we want to copy that and want to place it here. I right click on my mouse and you can see the paste icon, which is a bit different from what we normally always use. Now, the other way by which you can look for a specific file is you come directly and click on the search button, and you don't really manually need to find it. You just come here, click on that, and type the keywords to find your file. For example, taskbar. I just write it here and I see it. You can just open it directly and that's it. So those are the two ways by which you can find your information. We can still go ahead and talk about the far right hand corner of the taskbar, and we can see all these icons that we have here. This here tells us about the date and you're going to get all your notifications. The calendar is also here, and here we can see some of the other icons, the Bluetooth icon, the Windows security icon, Skype if you have it, Microsoft Teams, and if you have some other icons, you're going to see it here. And some of you, especially beginners who's never used Windows 10 and they're using Windows 11 for the first time, they might still need a little bit of help. So you might have a question as per how to set up your internet connection on your Windows 11 PC. This is where you're going to find it. Here you'll see the system tray with these three icons. One of the icons is the battery icon, another is the volume icon, and the last one is this icon for internet access. So if you click on this tray, on the system tray, you're going to see everything clearer. You'll see the Wi-Fi icon option. If you click here, you're going to see all the Wi-Fi that you have available. You're going to see the Bluetooth icon, how many items are connected to your Bluetooth, and other settings like airplane mode, focus assist, accessibility, battery saver. You can either dim or brighten your screen, and then the volume is what we see here. Here you can also see your battery percentage, it's charging and it's at 98%. If you come here, edit quick settings, you can either add, pin, or unpin any of these items. If you want to add, you just come here and you can add any of these other items that we have here. So that's it about your internet connection.